Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy apple pie. For this recipe I need 5 medium apples, pie crust, you could buy this from the store, a stick of butter, a teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and a cup of sugar. First, I'm going to make a syrup for the apple pie. For the syrup, we add the stick of butter into the pan, melt it, then add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Cook this for about a minute, then add a cup of sugar and 6 to 7 tablespoons of water. Whisk this and cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Keep whisking till all the sugar is melted and you get a nice thick syrup. The syrup is ready. It's nice and thick. I'm going to turn off the heat. Let this cool down. Next, I'm going to peel the apples and then cut them in thin slices and add all the sliced apples in a big bowl. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cinnamon on top of the sliced apples. Then I poured all that syrup that I made earlier. Mix this very well. This is the filling for the apple pie. I got this box of pie crust from Walmart. I'm gonna open one of them, lay it on the pie dish. Now I'm cutting the second pie crust in thin slices, long slices for the top of the apple pie. Pour the apple pie filling that we just made into the dish and then lay all the pie crust that we just cut in thin slices. Now put one slice in the middle and then start kneading the pie crust. Then fold all the extra doughs inside just like this. Now you take 2 fingers outside and push the other one inside and then pinch it. You like pinching the dough. It makes the pie looks beautiful. This apple pie looks very beautiful. I'm gonna take 1 egg and whisk it very well and then brush it on top of the pie. Preheat the oven to 425. Bake the pie for 15 minutes and then turn the heat down to 350 and bake it for another 30 minutes. So it's a total of 45 minutes of baking. The apple pie is ready. I'm gonna take it out of the oven. It smells really good in here. I'm gonna let this sit for 30 minutes to an hour to cool down a little bit. Then I'm gonna serve it. Apple pie is ready to be served. It looks very delicious and it's very crunchy. Look at that delicious filling. It's all fresh apples. I hope you enjoy watching this recipe. Thank you, and I appreciate your support.